Three simple ways to style your windbreakers. Windbreaker jackets are in trend and they are light and stylish, which protects the wearer from wind and light rain. They come in various styles: zip up style, hoodie style, and have usually high tight cuffs. Windbreaker jackets can have a huge range in color and design, so it can be overtly overwhelming to pick out the best from them. You need to get in touch with the best wholesale windbreakers manufacturer and order online from your home after checking out the best pieces for your collection from the online store the leading manufacturers hold. Check out how you can style your windbreakers in 3 easy steps. Oversized. If you want a fashion forward look, then you need to choose something a little oversized. Windbreakers are essentially form-fitting to save the wearer from sharp wind gushes, but for a fashionable look, you can wear an oversized statement piece which will add a style and a zing of class to the outfit. You can purchase a baggy oversized windbreaker which will instantly elevate your style. Buy one as